world of magnesium and its various forms and benefits for our health. First up is magnesium citrate, known for its excellent absorption and ability to support digestion and relieve constipation. Then we have magnesium glycinate, which is gentle on the stomach and great for promoting relaxation and better sleep. Next, there's magnesium malate, often praised for its energy-boosting properties, making it ideal for those battling fatigue. Lastly, we have magnesium threonate, which is linked to improved cognitive function and memory. Incorporating these types of magnesium into your routine can enhance your overall well-being. Thank you.